In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and animate a bulleted list in Google Slides, all within just a few minutes. Bulleted lists are a simple yet powerful way to organize your content and make your slides visually appealing. First, head over to the Google Slides website, open your web browser, and either type in the URL or search for Google Slides. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is important because it allows you to create and save presentations that you can access from any device. When you're on the Google Slides homepage, decide whether you want to start with a blank presentation or choose from one of the many templates available. For this demonstration, let's go with a blank presentation. Clicking on it will open a new slide that you can start editing immediately. Next, it's time to work with your text. Click on the text box where you want to add your content. If your slide doesn't have a text box, simply go to the Insert menu, select Text Box, and draw one onto your slide. Once your text box is ready, type or paste in the content you want to display. Now, let's turn that text into a bulleted list. Highlight the text you just entered and look for the bullet list icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like a series of dots or dashes. Click on it, and your text will instantly transform into a neat bulleted list. This makes your information more organized and easier to read. You can also customize your bullets to better fit your slide style. Keep your text selected and explore the formatting options. You can change the shape, size, or even the color of your bullets to make them stand out and complement your presentation's theme. Finally, let's add some animation. Animating your bullets can make your presentation more engaging by revealing points one at a time. To do this, select the text box, go to the Insert menu, and choose Animation. Here, you can select how each bullet should appear during your presentation. And that's it. Adding and animating a bulleted list in Google Slides is simple, but it can make a big difference in keeping your audience focused and engaged. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.